Ever thought about transforming your passion for weight loss into a thriving online community? Imagine having a platform where you can share your knowledge, inspire others, and build a community of like-minded individuals. A YouTube channel dedicated to weight loss could be just the ticket. It's more than just a space to post about your journey. It's a chance to make a real difference in people's lives. If the idea of creating your own YouTube weight loss channel intrigues you, you're in the right place. Before we dive into the creation process, it's essential to lay some groundwork. The first step to creating your weight loss YouTube channel is defining its purpose. Are you looking to share personal experiences, provide professional advice, or promote a product? A clear purpose will guide your content creation and help you connect with your audience. You need to identify your target audience. Are they beginners in the weight loss journey, fitness enthusiasts, or professionals in the field? Understanding your audience will ensure your content resonates with them and keeps them coming back for more. Research is also critical. Spend some time exploring successful weight loss channels. What are they doing right? What type of content are they sharing? Use this information to spark unique and engaging ideas for your own channel. Remember, the goal is to stand out in the crowd with your unique voice and perspective. Now that we've established the basics, it's time to bring your YouTube channel to life. Creating a YouTube channel is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in. Your channel's name is your first impression. Choose something catchy yet relevant to weight loss. A name that resonates with your theme will help attract the right audience. Next, let's craft an engaging description. This is your chance to tell your potential subscribers what your channel is all about. Remember, it's not just about weight loss, it's about the journey, the transformation, and the healthy lifestyle. Make it enticing, make it inspiring. Now, on to selecting a compelling cover photo. Visuals are paramount in capturing attention. Choose a picture that reflects the spirit of your channel, something vibrant, motivating, and relevant to your theme. And just like that, with a catchy name, an engaging description, and a compelling cover photo in place, you've set the stage for your YouTube channel. Voila! Your YouTube channel is up and running. But we're not done yet. A channel without content is like a car without fuel. Now that you've set up your YouTube channel, it's time to fuel it up with engaging content. The key to this is planning. Create a content calendar, map out your posts for the next month. This will include a mix of videos, images, articles, and interactive posts. Let's talk about the types of posts. Diversify your content. You could share a workout routine video one day, a healthy recipe image the next, and perhaps an article on the benefits of regular exercise the day after. The idea is to keep your content fresh and engaging. Is equally important. Decide on a posting schedule and stick to it. Your followers will appreciate knowing when to expect new content. This could be every day, every other day, or even once a week. The key is to stay consistent. A robust content strategy, your channel is now ready to welcome its audience. Building a following is a marathon, not a sprint. This race is one of endurance, fortitude, and steadfast commitment. So you might be wondering, what are the strategies to grow your community? You might be intrigued to discover that not all about the numbers. It's about engagement, quality, and consistency, rather than just your channel's position and perception in the digital world are incredibly crucial. One practical approach is to diversify. Don't limit yourself to YouTube. There are several other platforms where you can share your content. Think along the lines of social media giants as Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, or even the discussion-based platform Reddit. The idea here is to cast a wider net, to reach out to potential followers who might not necessarily be YouTube regulars. Your contribution to the online community should always aim at adding value, not just noise. Engage in relevant discussions, dispense valuable tips, be a meaningful contributor to the conversation. Remember, the online world is teeming with noise. Make sure your voice stands out for its value. Interaction with your audience is equally important, if not more. Promptly to comments, seek feedback, and always show appreciation for their support. Remember, your audience is your community, care for them, and they will support you. Let's not underplay the collaborations. Partnering with like-minded individuals or channels can significantly expand your reach, allowing you to tap into their audience base. This collaboration be in various forms, such as interviews, guest posts, or shared content. But here's the thing. Growing your community is a process, and it takes time. It isn't going to happen overnight, and that's perfectly okay. And persistence are your best allies on this journey. Revel in every small victory. Take lessons from each setback and always keep propelling forward. Lastly, don't let the numbers distract you. Focus more on building genuine relationships with your audience. A small, tightly knit community is much more valuable than a large, indifferent one. Remember, the journey of creating a successful YouTube channel is teeming with learning and growth. So get started, stay committed, and relish the process. Now that we've covered the importance of community building, there's one last thing to do that will help you grow your YouTube channel. It's time to encourage your viewers to like your posts and share them with their friends. It's a simple action, but it has a huge impact. Each like boosts your visibility in the YouTube algorithm, and each share extends your reach to potential new viewers. Next, don't forget to ask your viewers to subscribe to your channel for regular updates. Subscriptions are the lifeblood of any YouTube channel. They help you build a loyal audience base that will tune into your content regularly. Finally, always remind your viewers that their support is what helps your community grow. Their likes, shares, and subscriptions are not just numbers, they're real people who are contributing to the growth and success of your channel. So, let's put it into practice. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It's a small action that makes a big difference. Every like, share, and subscription helps us reach more people and make a bigger impact. Remember, we're in this together. Your success is our success, and every interaction counts. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe.